124, John, if I can get you to start from 1160 coming in, La Jolla Village and via La Jolla. Unit shows an route. It's water coming from the side of a fire hydrant. RP advised it's strong water pressure. Unknown if someone was tampering with it, and it does not appear that a vehicle hit it. Fire is also en route. And info for units, that 1160 is now at cover now La Jolla Village and via La Jolla. Fire called back and advised there's a subject acting violent, and fire is unsure if it's being violent towards the medic or not. Units to start. All we had was a subject with 6 foot with long hair, black top. He threw a rock at the rig.
Hey, it's one on there. There's no active fire right now. I think the subject walked off. I'm going to try to make contact with the potential RP to see what's going on.
10-4. Subject possibly walked off.
Hey, it's one on there. I have one detained, but you can drop any cover now.
Cover units to drop code for via La Jolla and La Jolla Village. We have one detained.
It seems like a felony 594 suspect through a rock, broke a window to engine 35.
Cover felony 594 through a rock and broke a window for engine 35.
It's going to be the same subject as the 417 at the complex up here on Jolla Way.
Temporal cross-reference them.
An update, this will be a 245 rock.
245 rock, 10-4.
Goddamn. Hey, come turn this water back on so he gets a live action re-involvement. Hey, car guy that knows how to turn that shit off, turn it back on so cops here know what they went through.
Medium 874.
Simple. For video evidence, where you get some fucking narrative that's opposite. And the real thing that actually went down. Aguilar. Check the last video evidence. No, you don't say that either. No, you didn't. Check the last video evidence. You're live. Listen. Stop. Rittenhouse.
Somewhere up there.
What was the
warrant?
No, the charge. Fucking black! And leave! Go!
And media is 97.
Media 97, 10-4.
Hey, car guy that knows how to turn that shit off, turn it back on so cops here know what they went through. Simple. For video evidence. Where you get